Hi, this is Sather, Technical Director of CallU, and today I'm going to talk to you about preparing for summer. If you were one of the unlucky people last year living in an apartment throughout the summer heat wave, then you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. However, if you've recently moved into an apartment or you've just bought an apartment and you are now going to experience your first summer, it's time to get prepared. Due to the way apartments are generally built and the insulation levels, the level of glass, all these sorts of things, your apartment will become a trap for the heat. It will be like, you'll be describing it like, typical examples people say to us is a greenhouse, a conservatory up on the 15th floor, all these sorts of things, because simply the heat cannot dissipate, cannot escape. You'll come home in the evening, your apartment will be hot, humid, stuffy. You won't want to live there, let alone sleep there. So it really is time to prepare. You may think to yourself, I'll probably be okay, I'll open the window a little bit, all these sorts of things. But aside from the issues of opening windows, like I've mentioned in other posts, such as security, pollution coming in, smells, all these sorts of things, the only way to really cool your apartment and make sure it's dehumidified and nice and cool is to install an air conditioning system. The sheer fact, however, that you live in an apartment, you may be thinking, well, how can I install an air conditioning system? I have no roof, I have no garden, I can't put something on the terrace, my building management won't let me do all that. Well, this is where we come in. We can come along and survey your property, have a look, and we assure you that if you live in an apartment, we have a fully internal air conditioning solution which will provide all your cooling needs. Whether you decide to do one room, be it the open plan kitchen, living, diner, or in addition the master bedroom, or possibly even bedroom 2 if you're using it for children or somewhere to work from, we can talk to you and go through all the options and come up with the perfect bespoke solution for your needs. At CallU, this is all we do. We do not do anything else. On a daily basis, our niche, our specialist field is internal solutions for apartments exactly like yours. If you need any more information or help with preparing for summer, please do visit our website or give us a call on the number below. Thank you.